Well, greetings everyone, and thank you so much for jumping back into another video of the series technical analysis. So this video, we're going to analyze a new coin, that is Dogecoin. So I see from the lot of videos and the content on the YouTube, but I see no one talking about Dogecoin. Like talking about the previous year, Dogecoin was everybody's favorite, and everyone was talking about Dogecoin all of the day. Lot of investments in the Dogecoin, and there was a time that Dogecoin came up to be the third largest cryptocurrency. It almost beat down the BNB. Now imagine that. Now I mean, if we check now, what is the place of Doge in the ranking index? Let's say, where does the Dogecoin rank right now? From that third position, Dogecoin has went a lot down. And is it on CoinMarketCap? I mean, or it is on CoinMarketCap. I think it should be here. It should be somewhere. It's ranking. Let's jump to the CoinMarketCap and we see there. Do we find Dogecoin there? Well, we see Dogecoin here as well. It's loading. So is that it for Dogecoin? Okay, anyways, let's leave it. Let's jump to the technical analysis, that thing we are good at. I mean, we cannot find it. I saw it on the CoinMarketCap, but I can't remember. I have some poor set of memory. Okay, so let's start from the macro scale. We're gonna start this analysis from the macro scale. I did a previous analysis on Dogecoin and I talked about this level. Now, you really need to take this thing serious that I talk about. As you can see that I was talking about this range that Dogecoin was trading on the macro scale. Now what did Doge do is that Dogecoin, it broke down from that place, from that range. However, it is not a surprise that this trend line was a falling wedge. And the falling wedge, they mostly break towards the upper sides, but this one broke toward the upside, hit some targets, and now you can see it fell back towards the same place. We can extend it this way. And okay, talking about the structure, you see the structure, it has turned completely bearish, and I see this big trend line that I hope you can see as well. Okay, let's try it very precisely and carefully. I mean, I can stretch it. Can we do this? Now there you go, my brothers and sisters. Okay, that you see, ignore this one. That one I remember very well. That was a very flash crash. So we can try to ignore those as well. Now you look at this downtrend trending line, which Dogecoin has been holding as a support level. I am not expecting this one to be broken towards the downside, because this is such a strong line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 taps on this trend line. And let me just try to find something from the upper levels. I mean, can I get something like this one? Okay, we have to test this one as a trend line. However, it is valid. By the laws of the trend line, it is valid. Everything is good, but doesn't seem to be the perfect one. Anyways, this is a big falling wedge. Dogecoin has been trading inside that wedge for so long, for like 30 September, and now it's June 2020. A whole year. It's a complete bear market. Let's just accept that. Now what you want is that you want Dogecoin to somehow break above this thing. Talking about the major support levels for Dogecoin, I want to jump back to the history. I want to find these places from where the price did some accumulation and held the support, and then the price took off. That would be a perfect place. Right, like this green line. There you go. Okay, now this is the line, I would say the line of control that you have to be vigilant about. You have to watch this one. This one is on a macro time frame. You see that the price, it's approaching there. I do not suggest any kind of entries at that point unless we see things clear up on the Bitcoin. But the price is moving down, and we need to check the RSI for the divergences so that we can get some kind of indication that we are nearing the bottom. Okay, now talking about the RSI, no bullish divergence today. Simple in the oversold region, so let's skip that. No use for that. So what do I expect for Dogecoin? I want to see the reaction of the price on this trend line. I want to see if we form a wick on this, because this place is the order block. We can see there were a lot of orders on here, and this is the exact place from where the price did this thing, this massive pump that kept on going for like weeks. It was like 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot of weeks, and Dogecoin was everybody's thing. I don't know, I did not invest in that coin, but I'm doing analysis because I'm a content creator and I have to do it for you guys. So if you are looking for an entry in the Dogecoin, I would suggest that you first look at the Bitcoin and wait for the potential entry if Bitcoin signals you good. And talking about the Bitcoin is doing no good to anybody. There we see, I wanna keep an eye on this trend line. This is sound like the last hope. I expect another bounce from here. We'll see a lot of order blocks on this trend line. You can see that one bounce, second bounce here as well. This was resistance there. It broke up off that thing and tested it multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth time. And now we see the price volatility once again in the market, Bitcoin. And at the same time, I talked about in the previous video that Bitcoin, it's forming, let's say, some kind of bullish divergence that you need to watch out, and you can try to capitalize, but until and unless the bullish signature is given in some kind of candle, we have to stay vigilant on that. Sorry. So I think for Bitcoin and Dogecoin, this would be it. We need to, this is a falling pattern, falling wedge again on Bitcoin as well. Let me just correct it for you guys. There you go. There you are, fellows. Okay, I mean, let's not force this one. Let's consider this one as a top, and this like this one. So we need to break this trend line as well. And talking about the market structure of the Bitcoin, this was the good support zone that is now gone for Bitcoin. We need to claim above this level and stay bullish. So unless we are below this zone, I wanna keep a tight eye on these trend line. I wanna see that how much. I think the reversal is very soon. It's too much fear in the market and a lot of inflow that is somehow triggering, but it has been so long. So I mean, be careful just. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content of the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.